Justin Deseck here with Sutton Group Select Realty outside of our latest listing at 3400 Castle Rock Place. This condo development was built by Rembrandt Homes in 2018, so it's just 6 years young. We offer low condo fees, parking for 3 cars, 2 in the driveway plus 1 in the garage, and an exceptional quality living of lifestyle with pride of ownership throughout. Let's go check out the inside and see what it has to offer. So you've actually got 5 levels in this home. This is your main foyer entrance. So you have your inside entry from the single car garage. You have a spacious hall closet here, and you have a half bathroom. Let's go see what the rest of this home has to offer on the 3 main levels of living space. So in this home, you've got just under 1,800 square feet of living space. Chances are you'll be spending a lot of time on this main floor with the open concept kitchen, living, and dining room area. You've got your custom blinds as a nice feature in here. You've also got remote blinds on your patio doors, which is awesome. Totally love this. Great dining area, just enough room for a small family or a group of friends to pop over and have a meal. You've got your deck outside, which we'll check out in a minute. You've got your quartz countertops, soft closed doors, stainless steel appliances. I just love this kitchen. You should pop by and check it out as soon as you can. So this unit is south facing, which means you've got the natural light coming to the front of the property in the morning, and in the afternoon and evening, you'll be out on your back deck here, having supper on occasion with friends and family, enjoying the sunsets as they drop down facing out to the west out here. Lots of room for a barbecue, some plants, there's outdoor lighting, and again, a spacious, nice, good quality deck here for your enjoyment. So my favorite feature about this home is the location of your laundry, just outside of your primary bedroom door. So you come into your primary bedroom, tons of room in here, king size bed, king suite for furniture, loads of natural light coming in your big bay window, his and her closets, and a beautiful 3-piece ensuite. So on the top floor here, you've got 1 more full bathroom and 2 very spacious bedrooms. Let's go check out what there is downstairs. So not only is this where you will likely conclude your day when you're living in this home, this is where we will conclude our tour. This is the last but not least of what this home has to offer. There's additional storage and a utility room that you can check out when you stop by for your visit. If I can help you get through it, by all means, don't hesitate to reach out. This is a south end location in the Forest City, less than 10 minutes to shopping, less than 10 minutes to the 401 and 402. Justin Deseck here, Sutton Group Select Realty. Don't hesitate to reach out if I can help. Thanks and bye for now.